Yes, we will start exercise 7.1. In this exercise, 4 theta express all the trigonometric ratios in term of sec theta. Okay, it is first question. We know that we have 6 ratios. Sin theta. In previous chapter, we have seen that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. Okay, so we have to find out all the ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, and cot theta in terms of sec theta. We have to convert. Okay, so first we will show sin theta in terms of sec theta. So first identity, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Because we have to convert sin theta, so sin theta will be at left side and cos square theta will become at right side, so it will become negative. And because we know that we have to find sin theta, so we will take square root both side. Okay, square root we will take square root both sides, so it will become sin theta, and it is square root sin 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, because we know that cos square theta can be written in the form of sec theta. Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, so we can write cos square theta as a 1 upon sec square theta. Okay, now we will take LCM. So LCM is sec square theta. Here we will get sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus 1 is, here we can see that the sin theta becomes in the form of sec theta. Now that it's second part, we have to convert cos theta in the form of sec theta. Okay, cos theta, directly we can write that cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, because cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Now the third part, tan theta, we have to convert tan theta in form of sec. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Okay, tan theta को convert करना है, so tan square theta will be at the left side and 1 will be at right side. It will become negative 1, and we have to find not tan square theta, tan theta, so we will square root both side. It will become square root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so tan theta is converted into sec theta. Now it's fourth part. So we will convert cot theta in form of sec theta. So cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, and so we can directly reciprocal the value of tan theta, and we will get 1 upon under root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay, no need to do anything. We will reciprocal the value of tan theta, and we will get the value of cot theta in form of sec square theta. Now cosec theta is remaining, so we will convert cosec theta in form of sec theta. We know that cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, and sin theta we got value in starting. Sin theta under root of sec square theta minus 1 upon sec square theta. So we will reciprocal this value, and we will get value of cosec theta. Okay, so we will reciprocal the value of sin theta. Sec square theta minus 1 upon sec theta. So sec theta will be come at LHS portion, and we will write here. Okay, so I think you got it, how we will convert all the values, all the trigonometric ratios in the form of sec theta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today you learn all the identities, and do practice at home to convert all trigonometric ratios in other trigonometric ratios. Thank you. Have a nice day.